loves. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So we're going to show you guys a few. So first we're walking to this lake. So this video is more of a nature video, you know, just a walk through nature. So beautiful, such a beautiful day, baby Babylon, baby Babylon, baby Babylon, 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 Babylon. That is not a song, but it sounds like a song. So if you guys get it right, as you comment down below, and if you get it right, then of course I will pin your comments. So go. So there's gonna be two pieces to this video. Obviously this is the nature video, and then the next one is gonna be the workout video. So I'm gonna of course publish that one first and put it in the link in bio if you guys would like to see that as well. So my siblings are behind me. So hopefully you guys hear me good, but we're about to arrive to the lake, which is our destination. I wish I can get a closer look at the flowers though. They have their garage open, so I would rather not invade their privacy, but I would rather invade it when they don't see me. So yeah. You want to see something big and beautiful? Matt, turn around. Turn around. That's nature for you.
Sky. Sky.
So we're about to be there, like literally a few houses down. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. We've arrived.
Ma, je t'en sais.
So we're entering the gates of nature. This beauty, I'm gonna give you guys a time lapse. Woo! Nikki! We've been calling her for a minute. Look at her. Bye. Hi, you listen. Come on. There she is. Bye, Nikki.
Porque lo vieron
So we were told that if you were to go under one of these trees, it will give you luck.
It's really cute. I like the burgundy. It looks burgundy, right?
It's so beautiful.
It's a pretty burgundy color.
And it has some green in it. You know what? I know this is not my lawn, but you know, a girl needs some sugar, and if she needs some sugar, she needs some luck. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, y'all, I should have done that, but you know, a girl needs some luck in her life, you know, with everything, with relationships, with stuff, you know. I'm just kidding. I don't need luck. I am all the luck. But you know, it doesn't hurt to add some sugar on top, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. And yeah, bye loves.